hazvina kuchipa, hazvina kumira zvakanaka muteruni party ZANU-PF. Kuri kunonzi mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa kutanga kwevhiki rino iri pane mamessages akasirculata uchinzi he is planning ma-reassignments nema-reshuffles. Nzana pena mashoko ma-press releases anowanikwa panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika achiita ma-reshuffles panguva ino. Miskapi don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Topinda this first one mudani pachinzi reassignment of permanent secretaries across the public service. His Excellency the President, yes, in terms of section 205(1) of the Constitution of Zimbabwe approved the reassignment of the following permanent secretary: Mr. Simon Masanga, Permanent Secretary for Environment, Climate and Wildlife; Dr. Thomas Utete Hushe, Permanent Secretary for Mines and Mining Development; Amputedius T. Chifamba, Permanent Secretary for Industry and Commerce; Mr. Pungwa Kunaka, Permanent Secretary for Public Service, Labor and Social Welfare; Professor Obet Jiri, Permanent Secretary for Agriculture, Mechanization and Water Resources Development. The reassignments are with effect from 1 May 2026. PANE, the other one. Mnangagwa appointment of Permanent Secretary for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Harare Metropolitan Province. His Excellency the President, Comrade Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, as in terms of Section 2051 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, as read in the Section 340 of the same Constitution, appointed Dr. Shangirai Mushamba as Permanent Secretary for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Harare Metropolitan Province. The appointment is with effect from 1 May 2026. Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet, Dr. M. Rushwaya. Doma developments aripo mutungamiri wenyika achiapa nguva inoi achichinja mutemo, achiapa nguva inoi achireassigna these public service individuals. Pina comment section medu nzafungura enye motu di pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, punch on the bell icon.